Good afternoon or good morning or whenever you're watching this. Trying something different. I have my picture in the bottom corner there. I think that's the left. I'll wave to you. Now I can look at the I can look straight ahead and because I'm talking to you as an audience there. So what I did, I sent you out the PDF file with all the information I'm going to go through as quickly as I can because it's a review. The first thing I want to point out to you is looking at the website right now, which is my start page. You recall that was one of the things we did. Here it says start page, pretty clever name, isn't it? The way I get that, unlike a home page, which I can also use, I know Penny, you had something different. You had the Google as your home page. I like using the start page because I have all my favorites right in front of me, which are the same as the favorites you see right here. Kind of redundant, but I like it that way. They're easy to see as we get older. In some cases, I have redundant icons right here, so I can simply do a right click on one of those and just remove that duplicate. So how did we get this start page? Also, Wikipedia looks like. I have fun with Wikipedia. Okay, we're done. The way you get this start page to appear is you go to Safari. We did this. We went to settings, and on the tabs, like I said, on the tabs, that's not where we wanted to be, right here. New Windows Open Start Page. That's a special name given to you by Apple. And I want everything to start with the start page, although I could click on my home page button and go right to Wikipedia. I forgot I had that actually. So that's what we did. Start page is a reserved word. You can put any web address. It's called a URL, Universal Resource Locator, more than you need to know. But you can put a web page in there. You'd copy, Control C, you'd come here, Control V, and that would be your home page. Let's take a look at that, how that works. I'm going to close this. This is my start page. When I make a new tab, there's my start page. If I click on my icon for home, there's Wikipedia. Mission accomplished. That was one of the first things we did. It wasn't really documented in my handout, and that's what I'm looking at right now, my Apple Pages document, that what we did in class. Another thing we did, and it did not work for you, Nina, I know I sent you a follow-up, is when we went to YouTube, when we watch a video, I'm going to make sure the video sound is muted. I think it is. Yeah, it is. When you go to YouTube to watch a channel, you might have the option, hopefully, where you click on that little icon there and you tap, and it says, not what I'm looking for. We know what distracting items are. We hide them all the time. We're used to that. But it seems every once in a while we hit a website that doesn't have that option. Let's see if I play one of these videos from Gary in YouTube. It's got to be played in YouTube. This is Gary's website. Let's see. I'll just click on one of these. We've done this before. We know how to do that. So let's see if I play Gary's video. No, interesting. Go it in Reader. Let's play the video. Maybe that'll be the difference. Now, Gary's talking to me. Let's see. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. So Gary is talking. Of course, he's muted. And now I can put him in the viewer. And I'll do that. And you'll see it kind of hides all those side panels. We have a nice black background. And it's a great way to avoid distractions. I'm going to stop Gary from talking. Um, Notice, Harold, I don't have that gear icon to slow Gary down. Okay, be careful there. I'm going to go back up to the top. I'm going to exit the video viewer. And now notice, Harold, there's the gear. That slows Gary down. We talked about that several times now. I do hope you're using it. All right.